Because of Cathie Woods' well-known status in the financial business, foreigners tend to avoid her comments when she makes mention of particular stocks. Continue watching and remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you found anything she said to be interesting. After doing that, let's begin the video. When professionals hold different opinions about a certain matter, it might be difficult to make an informed, important decision. Although the price of Tesla stock has dropped today, some investors are still comfortable with their choice to invest in the manufacturer of electric automobiles. See why Cathie Woods said it would be impossible to buy Tesla shares following a particular occurrence by watching today's video. Investment companies assess the company's bonds or stocks thoroughly before making an investment. The stock market and economy are also taken into account. Investors and analysts keep a careful eye on the growth and changes in the price of Tesla stock. Despite the ongoing volatility of Tesla equities, investors are still lining up to purchase stocks. Despite the fact that Ark Investments recently updated its valuation model for Tesla and set a price target of $4,675 for the stock in 2026, considered the best-case scenario, it is expected to grow even more from this point on, reaching over $20,000 by 2030. Ark's open-source Tesla model, as of right now, projects a projected value per share of $4,600 in 2026. The 25th and 75th percentiles, respectively, were used to calibrate the bull and bear situations. The American investment management company, Ark Investment, is based in St. Petersburg, Florida, and oversees a number of actively managed exchange-traded funds. As of February 2021, the organization was in charge of assets valued at $50 billion. Ark Invest's CEO and American investor Cathie Woods, has these positions. Forbes, a renowned stock picker, states that she is often referred to as the most underappreciated investor in the industry because not only does she present compelling case studies for investing, but she also provides proof to back up her remarkably perceptive assertions in their 2021 public domain. $3,000 was the projected share price for Tesla Model Ark in 2025. They did, however, reassess their position in light of important developments, including updated estimates of capital efficiency and autonomous ride-hailing assumptions, and they moved the projection forward by 1 year, to 2026. Tesla's projected robotaxi business line, which is predicted to contribute 60% of the expected value to more than 50% of the expected EBITDA in 2026, is said to be greatly influenced by Ark. All of the scenarios indicate that by 2026, electric cars will account for half of the company's total income, despite the fact that their margins were significantly smaller than those of the robot taxi. In addition, the new Ark Invest model increases Tesla's capital efficiency as the Model 3 ramped up in 2017. Approximately $84,000 was Tesla's capital cost per increased capacity unit in 2018, it was actually closer to $7,700. Based on the previous year's model, Tesla would have to pay between $6,000 and $8,000 for every additional unit of capacity by 2025. It might be realistic to infer that Tesla will spend between $2,000 and $7,000 per extra capacity unit in 2026 given its much higher capital efficiency than predicted. The Ark has given a $4,600 per share price target for Tesla for 2026. Based on the modifications in their most recent model, the bull and bear cases indicate that they may be valued roughly $2,900 and $5,800 per share in 2026, respectively. If this happens, Tesla's stock will only be accessible to his employees at Tesla Incorporated and will be out of reach for the typical American. CEO Elon Musk concurs with those who have already ascended to the top of Tesla. CEO Cathie went on to clarify the situation in addition to making a fiercely competitive statement and providing support from the company. This, she claimed, is because of their market share, which grew considerably in spite of other businesses entering the electric vehicle market. By 2025, Tesla should be able to build 5 to 10 million cars. Ark Invest Musk states that if the company is successful in its operations, the price per share will be $3,000. At the time of this movie, Tesla is valued at approximately $1 trillion, making it the most valuable corporation in the world. The projected valuation of Tesla is $730 billion. The financial services company American Independent Investment Bank and the Piper Sandler businesses raised their target price for Tesla to $1,350. According to Morgan Stanley's Adam Jonas, Piper said that it expects Tesla to generate more cash given the possible increase in stock value. The race is the atmosphere that restricts the use of electric vehicles. Thus far, Tesla has emerged victorious. According to him, Tesla is leading the electric car industry's marathon at mile 21. However, in a more figurative sense, some companies are still in the lead while others are still lacing their shoes. Morgan Stanley estimates that by 2025, Tesla will have produced an extra $27 billion in free cash flow, up from about $9 billion this year. Why then should you buy a Tesla? According to a recent article in Barron's Magazine, an American weekly magazine covering U.S. financial information, the time to purchase Tesla stock is now. Changes in the relevant statistics market. Though some analysts expect a fall and others more than 100 gains, the argument is far from over. However, stock in the market leader in electric vehicles is unusually attractive based on two indicators. When the pandemic struck the U.S. in March 2020 and the market crashed, the metric last seemed positive. Even Wall Street's expectations were surpassed by Tesla even after some investors sold their stocks because they lost faith in the firm. The American mutual fund manager and co-founder of Barron Capital, Ronald Stephen Barron, claims that Tesla handily surpassed Wall Street estimates of $2.20 to 30 cents per share and $18 billion in revenue. Moreover, Tesla's operating profit exceeded analysts' projections by almost $1 billion. After hours, Tesla's stock rose by $5 to $1,117 per share. Consequently, they constituted a noteworthy surge from the previously stated closing price of $976. Regarding Tesla's present standing in the stock market, analysts and investors differ, but many still maintain their bullishness and believe the company is a prudent long-term investment. Assume that Cathie is right and that the price of a Tesla stock share increases to $3,000. Then stock in the frontrunner in the electric vehicle market will be out of reach for the typical American. Click the subscribe button if you would like to watch and see more news and updates on Tesla and other financial activities in the market. Additionally, click the like button if you think this video is helpful. Remember to send your friends this video. This concludes the video. We appreciate your time and will see you in our upcoming video.